Market took another big dive today. After rallying up above the 200-day moving average last week, we said it was critically important the markets were able to hold that. Unfortunately, not only did the market run into the 50-day moving average and fail at that point on Friday, we came back down, broke support at the 200-day moving average. This now confirms that resistance level all across the board. This is not looking good for the bulls by any stretch of the imagination. If we take a look at small cap as an example here, we're seeing exactly the same breakdown, except the small cap index was unable to get above its moving average, failed at the 200-day moving average. Most importantly, the 50-day moving average is very close to crossing here below the 200-day. That does not bode well for the stock market, period. When small caps begin to break down, it tends to spread through the rest of the market as well. We see exactly the same thing when we take a look at mid caps, exactly the same rally back towards the 200-day moving average, failed. And again, take a look here with the mid cap. The mid cap index is about to issue a major sell signal on that market as well. Again, we're seeing the same deterioration throughout the markets. Here's Apple sitting right on the 200-day moving average. Amazon actually has broken down below the 200-day moving average, also failing to get back above the 50-day as well. And again, look at some of the financials here. JP Morgan running into its 50 200-day crossover, actually has a crossover of the 50 below the 200-day there. Goldman Sachs breaking down to new lows today. Really, this is a look that we see entirely across the entire spectrum. Here's Facebook, one of the FANGs, continuing to break down, running down this 50-day moving average, which has already got a major sell signal put into place. There is deterioration happening in this market. Take a look at what oil prices are doing here. Those are indicative of what's happening with not only the domestic economy, but the global economy. We're seeing a real change in tenor from previously bullish for the last decade to a much more bearish backdrop.